Okay, so here's the Sudoku. It's just like using the numbers, only you have shapes to use. So you can take and put the cat, and you can't see the choices, but they're on the bottom. And if I click the question mark, it will tell you whether you put the cat in the right spot. If it's red, it's wrong. So I'm going to take the cat out, and I'm going to try the pot, and we'll see if that's right. And that is incorrect. So I'm going to click on the X and remove that. So let's try the tombstone and see if that's right. No, it's not right because it's next to the other tombstone. So I'm going to delete that. Let's try Mr. Ghost. That is incorrect. So that leaves me with the bat. And there are black lines around the square, so that means that is correct. So moving up, I'm going to select another one. And I know that it can't be the bat, it can't be the jack-o'-lantern, and it can't be the tomb. So I'm going to try the ghost. And it looks like it is not the ghost because it's red around the box. So it's got to be the cat. So let's click on the cat and see if it's correct. And it is correct. So now I have the bat, the cat, and the jack-o'-lantern correct in that row. So if I click up here, I know it can't be the bat. I'm going to try the ghost. And remember, if you click on the question mark, it will tell you if you're right. And I guessed correctly. Now up here, it gets a little easier because there's more there. It's the jack-o'-lantern, the tombstone, the bat, the cat. So I'm going to say it's the pot because the pot can't go there. So it must be the pot. And I'm going to click on the question mark, and it is correct. So the only one that we're missing at the tippy top is the tombstone. And I'm going to check, and all of my boxes are black. Now, if we go to this row here, we can see we have the tombstone, the ghost, the pot, and the jack-o'-lantern. So let's try the cat there. And the cat is correct. So the only one that is left is the bat. So I click on the bat. And you can see that you can't see it, but to the right of this box, there's a timer that's going. Let's see if I can make it bigger. Oh, there we go. So the timer is going, and I didn't start it right away. So anyway, so let's finish this one. There's only one thing that's missing, and it is the ghost. So we're going to put Mr. Ghost there. Click on our question mark, and that row is correct. So now I have 4 rows done. So I'm going to click up here because this row is almost done. And it looks like we are missing, see, we have the pumpkin, we have the tombstone, we have the bat. Looks like we are missing the ghost. So I'm going to put the friendly ghost there. Check to make sure I put it in the right spot. And so that is how you play Sudoku with shapes. It's kind of fun and it's good strategy.